Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to use the pockets function in the Revolut app. So first of all, you come to the apps section, the features section in Revolut, and then the second little icon is the pockets. Go to pockets, and here when you start this you will see a short explanation what is it all about. Organize your bills with pockets. Discover the smart way to organize your money. So let's see what they have. Stay on top of your spending. Always have money left for bills each month by sorting and paying from pockets. It's that easy. So as you can see in this little animation, this way your money will be sorted like automatically, as you can see here. Okay, set aside to keep organized. We'll tell you how much you need for your bills each month. Put that money aside into pockets so you're never caught short. Sounds good? Easily track your bills payments. Keep track of all the payments you make from your pockets directly from the details page. So this is how you organize your pockets. And here, as you can see, they have like default options, suggested pockets that you can make: housing, rent, utilities, bills, mobile, internet, subscriptions, gym, music. But you can also create your own bucket. For example, just ask me, YouTube channel, and here you can set a picture for this or anything. Go to continue.